Exclusive. The Madlanga Commission's got a smoking gun and it's pointing straight at DJs Boo and TK. A witness, Kemi, has dropped a bombshell alleging the duo's involvement in some shady dealings. The claim suggests they've been using their influence and platforms to line their pockets, leaving the public wondering if their success is legit or just a carefully crafted facade. Kemi's testimony paints a picture of corruption and deceit, with DJs Boo and TK allegedly part of a network manipulating systems for personal gain. The allegations have sent shockwave through the entertainment industry, with many questioning the true nature of their success. Were they just lucky or did they plan dirty? The accusations have sparked a frenzy online, with justice for Kemi trending and calls for the duo to come clean. DJs Boo and TK's reps are staying tight-lipped, but sources close to the matter suggest they are cooking up a storm. One thing's for sure, their reputations are on the line, and the commission's not letting up. As the drama unfolds, the public's left wondering, are DJs Boo and TK victims of circumstance or the masterminds of a corruption scheme? The Madlanga Commission's just getting started, and the truth is far from being told. Stay tuned, folks. This one's gonna get messy.